Hey guys, Noel here. We're back with another video. We will be upgrading our ProClip mount. Why would I upgrade my ProClip mount? I just installed it. I have the MagicMount over here. It continuously charges my iPhone, so I would like more control over that. We will be upgrading to the MagSwitch. Let's unbox this thing. We just unboxed our MagSafe mount. So here it is. Look at it. That looks so good. Got a on and off power switch. That's really what I was looking for. So it's a 15-watt fast charging QI2 certified charger. So let's go ahead and put it together and put it in our car. Only thing you need for this upgrade with this phone mounts is just a screwdriver. We'll go ahead and put our mount together. We're back in the BRZ. We'll go ahead and take our MagicMount out. It's just 4 screws. Again, you'll just need your screwdriver to upgrade your ProClip phone mount. Then we'll go ahead and switch to our MagSwitch. So we can start unplugging our old but new MagicMount by ProClip. Just follow your charging cable lines and that should be it. And let's go ahead and unscrew that real quick. We just took off our old but new MagicMount by Scosche and ProClip. We'll go ahead and put our new MagicMount. And again, it's gonna be easy. Just use this screwdriver. Guys, we're almost done with our install or upgrade to the MagSwitch. I'm gonna try it again to like hide these wires when I can, like what I did last time. I hope we have enough wire for us to plug this in. I was like routing it here last time and fish it under here. Okay, do we have enough? I think we may not have enough. If that's the problem, you can just buy an extra one, but I'm gonna just put it here for now. Plug it in with our power adapter. You want the M in the right orientation. Okay. There's actually a little notch over here. You can pull this out, so which is good. Want that M to be at a really good angle. There we go. So yeah, we may have enough wires for a cleaner install. Just want a little slack over there in case I need to move our MagSwitch around. So I just take out this clip over here, then clip it back in. Will I have enough? Okay, looks good. Everything looks good. So that's a cleaner install from this end. I thought I'd have to buy a new wire, but looks like we're all set. This looks good. Perfect. So I just tucked it in. That's a cleaner install. I could probably take this one out and route it in there, but for now that's the easy way to install it. I like to go ahead and just hide the wires on the side. If you want to see the full install for the ProClip, you can go ahead and watch our previous video. I'll go ahead and link the video down in the description. Again, that's it. Our phone mount looks good. Woo, that looks so good. Okay, let's try it out. Okay guys, we're done. We'll go ahead and just finalize our install or upgrade to our phone mount. Let's start her up. Ooh, look at that. I got that white ring. Really loving that. And let's go ahead and put our phone. Moment of truth. Yes, it's charging. Look at that. Let's see. Let's push that switch. Oh, it goes blue. It goes blue. Is it blue? Yeah, it is. Oh, it's blue when it's charging, guys. So it's white if it's on standby. Then... oh wow, that's super cool. So it's blue when it's charging. Then let's try turning it off. Oh, super nice. Freaking love that. Wow. Okay, then let's turn it on. Wow, I love that. Okay, that ends our upgrade to our phone mount. I think this is the best one so far for the BRZ FR-S for the first gen. I highly recommend this. Go ahead to ProClip website if you'd like one of this, and use my code noeldriven. That's NOELDRIVEN and get yourself one. I highly recommend this one. So I'll be finally retiring our old phone mount here, which is on our window, and that's it. That ends our video. See you next time, guys. Again, thanks ProClip for sponsoring this video. Appreciate it. See you next time.